Who the walking fried chicken now, boy? Huh? I'm about to make you bleed, boy.
What's up, man?
No hold, no hold.
What you talking about?
Got the nerve to disrespect me. Oh, yeah, you about to die today.
Time out.
Look me in my eyes, you flea-bitten animal. Don't ever in your life tell me I belong in some frying grease.
Bro.
Look at me. Huh? I take it personal because they took my homeboy and fried him for Christmas. And for you to tell me I'm a walking piece of fried chicken,
I'm sorry, man. I didn't know.
You gonna respect me.
I said I was sorry.
Nah, don't be sorry now. Where you going? Where you going?
It's over,
Nah,
bro.
you ain't getting away. That
O juiz vai acabar o jogo. Vamos lá, Zezinho. Vamos lá, Zezinho. Pato Branco batendo o coração, correu o Zezinho. Apontou, atirou. Puta que pariu pra fora.
Yeah. All right. Oh. Yeah. All right. Yeah, you are. Yeah. This one me attack. This one me attack. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Boss,
Give me your money. No, he ain't supposed to say that. Give it up. I said no, goddammit. You outnumbered, man. I don't give a damn. What we gonna do now, boss? This is our first time, sir. Give us a second, please. What we gonna do? Plan B, dumbass.
Likey.
Every time I come, a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, cause it doesn't matter.
Likey.
Are you wearing the same shirt as me?
Oh, morning, Prue. Hi, guys.
You're both wearing the same. At least Paul's still my friend. Oh my lord. Actually, that looks good in green.
Shall we start the show? Welcome to the Great British Bake Off.
I usually do that. Last time. I love eating biscuits. I'm not sure about making them. It was biscuit week.
He looks like she.
Alice's macaroon masterpiece.
I think that's a fine piece of work.
Ensured she took Star Baker.
Likey.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the box.